you ever wondered what hyaluronic acid is and why it's actually good for your skin? Well, let's first talk about what is hyaluronic acid. It's actually a substance that is found in our bodies, so we've got it right inside of us. And it is specialized that it's a humectant, meaning that it's able to collect water, right? Absorb water. And it's also a hygroscopic, that's a bit of a tongue twister there, which means that it also has the ability to draw moisture or water from our environment, like the air. And one of the main things that's kind of cool about hyaluronic acid is that it is everywhere all over inside your body. And 50% of the hyaluronic acid that you have in your body is found in your skin, and primarily you're going to find it in the top layers of your skin, which we call the epidermis. So a little bit of fancy words for you. For those of you who might be new to skin, the epidermis is really what you skin that you look at every single day when you're in the mirror. So hyaluronic acid being with inside your body, you can already see it's got quite the job, and you've heard me say it a few times about water. So what does this mean is that this specialized hyaluronic acid is able to hold 1,000 times its own weight in water. So what does this mean for us, for our skin and for the appearance, is what gives us that plump, hydrated, smooth appearance to our skin. So why do we need it, right? So why is this important for us to have? Is, well, just like everything else, as time goes by, our body may not be making as much hyaluronic acid as it could be, and there's also specialized mechanisms within inside of our body and in our skin that actually break down hyaluronic acid. And just like anything, as time goes by, there can be an uneven distribution of both of those. So naturally, or when we're younger, we're producing and we're breaking down relatively at the same time. So the skin has a nice balance. But with time and age going by, we might be producing, but the enzyme or the breakdown of it is happening a lot faster. So we're getting kind of an unevenness of the distribution of the hyaluronic acid that we have in our bodies. So this is why you can actually incorporate hyaluronic acid into your home care routine so that you can overcome any of those specific issues with hydration in your skin. So this is why you would need to introduce hyaluronic acid within your home care routine. And I am extremely excited today to walk you through a few of Eminence's fabulous products that are going to be able to do that for you. So with your home care routine, obviously you're always going to be cleansing the skin and doing a little bit of an exfoliation. So I love to bring in our gorgeous strawberry rhubarb dermafoliant. You've seen us talk about this. It's one of our top sellers. I love it. It's so super easy to use. It is a powder inside here, and you just give it a couple shakes either with some water or in your favorite hydrating cleanser. So you could do it that way. My only tip here, please make sure you remember that it is a powder. So you may not want to be keeping this in your shower. So keep it in a dark and dry place, okay? Just because it is powder, you don't want any water in here. So that's my tip for you. And if I want to introduce more of this beautiful hydration into my skin, I can use a serum, and we have our gorgeous strawberry rhubarb hyaluronic serum, and this has our complex in it, so very, very cool and very beneficial to your skin. I have implemented this into my routine, in particular before I put on my all mineral SPF. Since all mineral SPFs tend to be, they stick on the skin a little bit differently, and I like to have a well hydrated base beforehand. So I definitely love using this as one of my star players before wearing SPF. So those of you who are interested, that's a great tip to consider. For your moisturizing love as well, we have a hydrator, but I also wanted to pull out an old school for you, which is our strawberry rhubarb mask. And this is a mask, so rule to follow, right? Cleanse skin, exfoliate, then mask is going to optimize your treatment. This is a creamier mask, so I like it. There's no bits in it, so really smooth. You can almost like massage this almost right into the skin, leave it for about 5 minutes, and then warm towel it off. You will have a beautifully plumped, hydrated skin, and when you push it, it's gonna feel a bit bouncy. So I think you're really gonna enjoy this mask, and great for everybody, all skin types as well. So if you wanna introduce a mask for the first time into your home care routine, winner. Absolutely fantastic to add in there. For your finishing moisturizer, as I mentioned, so of course SPF is very important. You can even layer our hydrator, our strawberry rhubarb hyaluronic hydrator right here. It's a little one pump, I'm not kidding, goes a very, very long way. One pump literally covers from my forehead almost mid-neck. If I really want to get across my chest, then I'm going to use another pump. So that's just a little tip. This is pretty impressive, actually. Really, really love it. Now you're probably thinking, but Nat, I'm also dehydrated on my whole body. Do you have anything for me? It's like you guys have been reading my mind. Absolutely, we have the strawberry rhubarb hyaluronic body lotion. This literally smells like a strawberry milkshake. I can't lie, it is gorgeous, but I just wanted to show you real quick. This texture is phenomenal. It is like between a medium of like a cream and like a jelly kind of finished, but it just, check that out. It just like goes right in, and oh, the love of hydration on those elbows. I can't tell you how much I need it. So right away, I wish there was smell-o-vision. You can't smell it on your end, but I can definitely tell you right now, this is a strawberry milkshake experience. And it goes on so beautiful and glide, literally like a snap. So I really, really encourage and hope that you are able to incorporate some of this beautiful, deep, moisturizing hydration effect with these gorgeous products that I've just shared with you now, and also walking away learning a little bit more about the importance of hyaluronic acid and why your skin needs it. And that's all I have for you today. Again, I'm Natalie with another In the Mix, and if you like, don't forget to subscribe, like, hit the bell so you don't miss another episode, and I'll catch you next time. Bye-bye for now.